So jump into your story here. Just go ahead and take a picture here. And once you take a picture, on the bottom, now you could share it to your story by clicking that. Or next to it, there is a close friends option. Let's go ahead and press that. So it says add people to your close friend list. I don't have one yet, so I need to create one. So if I say not now, it's just gonna go away. So I need to say add to list, and it's gonna again take me to the same place I just showed you a different way. So that's 3 different ways you could get to this page. Once you get here, you could select some people to add to your close friends list just like that. Or you could go ahead and search for some people. That's another way to get to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and add these close friends based on my activities. And then I'm gonna press done. Here, it also says learn how it works. So you go ahead and click that to see how exactly that works and read about it here. I'm gonna press done, and I'm gonna press done one more time to create my close friends. So if I tap close friends now, it's gonna share it right to my close friends, and it will have a green ring around. So if I click that right here on top, it says close friends, and it says only sharing to close friends, and I could go ahead and edit my close friend list here.